What's up, fashionistas? So today we are working on some thrift flips. So if you were here for this first video, we worked on these jeans, these bow tie jeans, and I'm obsessed with them. They are now my closet staple. I wear these all the time. In this video, I want to make it a little bit of a challenge. I want to do something easy, beginner friendly, intermediate, and then also difficult. So we are going to turn this denim shirt into a vest. This is just going to be a cut up project that we just roll hem for finishing. That's what I'm projecting right now. We'll see as we're working on it. And this dress, I want to turn into a different style dress. So I kind of want to do similar to my maxi dress here that I made. I want to do the same neckline with an open back and maybe use the remaining of the material to add a ruffle at the bottom. That's what I have in mind right now. We'll see as we're going. So this project will be a little bit more intermediate because we're changing the style completely and then creating a ruffle. So my difficult project, I am waiting for, I think that's what I'm waiting for. Let's go see what it is. We are collabing with Chardonnay Mason. This is another one of my sewing YouTube girlies, and we both gave each other a $10 challenge. We had to thrift something for $10 or less. We don't even know what we're getting each other, and we have to create something out of this. So I knew this would be my difficult task because I don't even know what it is. So let's open it together and see what we're working with. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Ah! This looks like a blanket and it's double-sided. Yes, this is probably a duvet cover. There's a zipper in here and it's double-sided. There's this print on one side, this print on the other. We have a lot of fabric to work with here. I don't even know which side to use. But as you can see, she spent $9.99 on this. And that's why, you guys, thrifting for your material and also just like upcycling clothes is the best way to get started with sewing because it's so inexpensive. Like, this is literally 3 yards of fabric pretty much, and to spend $9.99 for 3 yards, that is amazing. So, oh my gosh, we need to brainstorm. So what I want to do with this, I think whatever I'm doing, I want to start from start to finish. So we're gonna draft our own pattern, do a test fit maybe, but most likely do a test fit and then sew it out of this. So that's gonna be our difficult part of this challenge. Let's get into these projects. First, I'm gonna change though because I cannot work like this. So yeah, we're gonna get into some sweats and let's get into cutting and sewing.
The way that this jacket was made, I can just cut off the sleeves and the edges still have a clean finish.
We cut out the back and I'm loving how that looks. I'm just going to do a roll hem, quick and easy, and that's how we're gonna finish it. And then we are going to attach these little strings, just sew it on top. You'll see how we do it. And then we could just, and then we'll be done with this piece.
I also decided to cut off the collar to give it more of a look like this vest.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for you.
The sides of the dress, I'm going to take in about 1/2 inch on each side seam. This is the shirt that we cut out. So I'm going to seam rip this bias tape off so I can use for the back of the dress, and we're gonna straighten up that line so it's more, so that it's straight. And we're going to utilize this just like the front neck here, and then I have this bias tape from my stash, and then we're going to use that as like our tie string and to finish off the front sides of the dress. To working with this pattern, I put on something that is very form-fitting, bodysuit jumper thing. I put it inside out because we are about to use duct tape and permanent marker to create our pattern on ourselves, and I don't want to ruin it, so I put it on inside out. Okay. The front and side, the back is going to be hard to do. So I filled in all the spaces off camera. This was very hard to do. I was going to look mad ugly if I kept the camera on. Now I have to go over there in the mirror to draw our lines. So this will be our pattern. Let's now put this onto paper. So this is the test fit sewn together. This does close, you know, I just didn't close it, but I am liking the fit so far. So is this the new wave? Drafting patterns on ourselves? You wouldn't need a dress form if you just do the duct tape method. So this really works. I can't wait to do more patterns this way. There's just a little gaping here. There's just a little bit, so we will just adjust this on the pattern just by taking in like a 1/4 inch and we will be all set. So let's cut this out of the fabric.
I wanted the front bodice to have a clean, seamless finish, so to sew the boning, I lifted the seam allowance and sewed the boning on each side so it doesn't seep through the front. Hopefully this is the last update. We are at the finale. We have neatly connected the bodice. It looks so good, and we just need to connect these sleeves. I am going to probably do a voiceover so I can do it and then explain, because it's going to explain at the same time. And so this is complete, and then we have our skirt pieces already gathered, so we just have to add the pockets and then connect the whole dress, and then we are done.
We have some success. That's what we want the sleeve to look like, and the back is the lining. We will hand sew this, so that way we have a clean finish on, I keep saying sleeve, but strap. That way we have a clean finish on the strap. I love how that looks, and I'm going to do this one now. So what we're going to do, when you have two straps like this, you're going to wrong side to wrong side, connect the strap that's going to be on your outside, not the lining.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
OMG. I love how this came out, you guys. Let me know what you think. Like, this is so cute, and we made this from a duct tape pattern. Like, I am obsessed with this idea. I'm definitely gonna create more things now. Make sure you guys go check out my girl Chardonnay Mason's channel. Hopefully she has her thrift flip up very soon. We are so busy as sewists, especially around the holidays. I think this is going to be my dress for Thanksgiving. Let me know what you guys are wearing. Let me know if you guys enjoy these thrift flips. I have so much more things that I can flip. I am going to get so crazy with the thrift flips. Until next time, bye.